Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to level up electrical in Project Zomboid. To start gaining electrical experience, you need to dismantle electronic items found throughout the world. Grab a screwdriver and right-click devices like radios, TVs, wall clocks, phones, and digital watches to disassemble them. Each piece you tear apart gives electrical XP. So going house to house or clearing buildings or tech stores for electronics is your bread and butter for leveling. Before grinding, it's smart to read electrical skill books first. These books increase the experience you gain for that skill. Another way to earn electrical XP is by repairing generators. When you fix a generator that has lost condition, you'll receive electrical experience for each repair action you perform. This is slower than dismantling electronics, but it's useful once you have access to generators. And that's how you level up electrical in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.